In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a search bar in Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and going to a blank spreadsheet. It can be a new file or an existing sheet where you already have data. For this to work smoothly, it helps to have your dataset laid out in a clear table, with headers across the top row and your records listed underneath. Next, click into the cell where you want the search bar to live. This is simply a single input cell, where you will type whatever you are looking for. A common choice is near the top of the sheet above your table, so it is easy to find and use. Now click that same area again and type a label to make it obvious what the cell is for. For example, you can type something like search or search term in a nearby cell. This is not required for the function to work, but it makes the sheet much easier to understand, especially if other people will use it. After you add the label, click into the search input cell and type a placeholder value. This can be a sample word that matches something in your data, just to help you confirm the search is working while you set it up. Keep it simple, and you can replace it later. Next, click into the cell where you want the results to appear. This should be an open area with enough space to display a list of matching rows. If you place it directly under your headers, the output will feel like a filtered view of your table. Now type the formula that powers the search. As you type, pay attention to the ranges you reference. Your output range should cover the full table you want to return, and your search should point to the input cell you created. Also, make sure the column you are searching in matches the column in your dataset where the keywords or names appear. After typing the formula, click Away to apply it. Then click back into the search cell and type a new search term. You should see the results update automatically. Finally, click through the key cells one more time to confirm the label is clear. The input cell is easy to find, and the results are updates consistently. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.